How to see recently added friends on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here to your Facebook application directly, and of course it will lead you to your home page. Now on the bottom part you will see 6 different icons there. You'll see home, friends, watch, marketplace, notifications, and of course menu. Tap on menu, the three dash lines there. And what I want you to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see the settings and privacy. Now, 4 different options will actually come out if you tap on that. Then go to settings. Now, what I want you to do next is to scroll down up until you see the information section. Now, under that, you will see activity log there. Tap on that and it will look like this. Now, what I want you to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see connections there. Now, here, view connections. Now, the next thing that you want to do is here you will see archive, trash, and filters. Tap on filters there and tap on categories here. Now, since we want to see who we actually recently added friends on Facebook, tap on added friends for categories. And then here you will see that I've actually added 2 people here. And basically that is how you see recently added friends on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.